Here we are back in the Cayman again. This time, daytime. Wow, it's summertime now. It was cold last time. Some AC going. Probably can't hear over that though, can you? So anyway, from part one of this, where we had tried to take it out at night and low tires and got the tires pumped up, and all it was doing is spinning tires. Thought we'd take it for a quick spin, see if a little temperature helps and not wet roads. Car's pretty well mannered. Got a full suspension to go on this. We'll talk about wheels and tires once we get that on, if it's still not hooking up. I think it's got Pirellis on it. Maybe some Sport Cup 2s or A008s or something. Even those Nito NTO 5 are pretty fun. Get down in the traction rating of anywhere 50 and down. Some of them have a traction rating of 0. And yeah, you're not going to get too many miles out of those. Super responsive. It need like a G meter or butt meter or something like this. I mean, like 10% throttle input, and this thing's already really scooting. Looks like we need to charge the AC on this. See if we can get the fan to an acceptable level. Yeah, even down here at 2500, I mean, we're up in 5th gear, and throttle response is, you know, ever so slightly delayed down there, but still super, you know, just barely any throttle input, and this thing's moving right along. Okay, we put a G3900 on this thing. Ended up running a couple of the last pulls were like 710 at the tires, so this is getting upwards of high 700s. So still in a really nice efficiency island of this turbo, but if I recall, we're also right at the ragged edge of, you know, mass flow sensor, and I think, you know, injectors were fine, pump was fine. We are on E85. But getting to the point where, yeah, at every run I was like, you know, I forget, you know, 4.97 volts or something on the mass flow sensor, and it's already up in the fault territory. Or 4.5 volts normally, it's flagging up error. Just trying to get some temperature in this thing. It also had a pretty dead or very low battery. Let's see, even at 2000. Yeah, we are in 6th gear here. We're in top gear, and still, even at 2000 RPMs, throttle in a little bit, the thing's already got a real good pull in the back there at 2500. That's pretty fun. Let's go ahead and flip around here. That kind of snakes all over the road. That's kind of fun. But at least it's controllable. It's too much traffic. Bad time of day. Okay, one more try. If we had some grip, this thing would actually pull pretty fun. Seem to have traction here in third gear. There's too much traffic out here. Don't want to get in trouble.